the 6 resolutions passed by the meeting of the National Executive Council of the Popular Front of India reflect extreme deprivation of the people, angst and fear psychosis being developed by the current dispensation in Delhi. The first resolution talks about the demolition of Babri Masjid and reminds the people not to forget one of the most tragic episodes of the current history of the nation. One of the most tragic incidents in modern history of India is not an exaggeration, because it is a continuation of certain other tragic incidents, like the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi, like the so-called communal riots in different parts of the country, including the massacre in NEC, Assam, in 1984, anti-Sikh riots in Delhi and some of the North Indian cities. In 1992, a historically important masjid was demolished in front of TV cameras, in front of media persons coming from different parts of the country and the world, by some of the big guns of BJP. It was destroyed in front of us, even though there was an appeal from the government to desist from such dastardly vandalisms, and a promise made by the Chief Minister of UP at that time to the Supreme Court that they would not touch Babri Masjid. But the hoodlums, the vandals, the criminals, commandeered by Sangh Parivar, destroyed the Babri Masjid on the fictitious claim that there was a Ram temple beneath the masjid. It was a crime one could not imagine, especially in a civilized and modern world. Immediately after the tragic incident, communal riots were engineered in different parts of the country, and in 1992-93, in December to February 93, thousands of Muslims were killed in different parts of northern India. And there was a promise from the government, there was a promise from different branches of the government that Babri Masjid would be rebuilt at the same place, but still it is hanging fire. And we know that the Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court passed a strange judgment dividing the Babri land among 3 parties. It was very strange because the Babri land actually belonged to the Waqf board of UP. It was part of the endowment given by the former generations of Muslims to the current generations. So the resolution asks for immediate rebuilding of the Babri Masjid and to remove the temple illegally built up by the same hoodlums who had come to Ayodhya on 6th December 1992. Rebuilding of the Babri Masjid is actually rebuilding of the broken values of the Republic. You will be able to rebuild the broken values of the Republic if you are able to rebuild the 3 domes of Babri Masjid. So the resolution calls upon the people who are sensible, people who are legal, people who are secular, and people who want the rule of law in this land to work for rebuilding the Babri Masjid.